fam, it's me Holly and Tara and James.
Hi co-fam, this is Mary. Today Mary cooking a simple prawn noodle soup. This is all my ingredients: yellow noodles, prawn noodle paste, bihon, egg, chicken thigh, prawns, spring onion, pork beans. This is the soup. Soup is made using chicken bones and prawn heads. And this is the prawns noodle paste. You must fry it like this and add to the soup. To get more taste of this prawn, first thing you do is you make your soup. Boil the chicken and the prawn head. After that, you strain all the left bone inside the soup. After you add the prawn noodle paste to the soup, need to cook another 20 minutes so that the soup tastes more nicer. While we are waiting for the soup, we boil the egg. All the ingredients must boil properly. This is the chicken thighs from the soup. You need to cut small pieces and we can add to the soup later. But the prawn must be cooked inside the soup. After we boiled all the ingredients, we take the bowl and arrange all the ingredients inside. We are using two kinds of noodles, the bihon and the yellow meat. We just add all the ingredients into the bowl and we add the soup inside. This prawn noodle soup is very nice, very tasty. We love to eat these prawn noodles. This is my simple prawn noodle soup. It's very nice and very tasty. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for everyone. Hope you like it.